Is the worst of the sell-off behind us, or is a new market crash about to begin? In this chart, we're looking at USDT dominance on the weekly time frame. The key thing to notice is that USDT dominance has entered a major resistance zone. This area starts around 8.5% and extends up to roughly 9.5%. Historically, whenever dominance has moved into this region, selling pressure has increased, and we've seen strong rejections from these levels. After rallying from around 4% to above 9%, USDT dominance is now trading right inside this supply zone. What we're seeing at the moment looks more like a consolidation or a pullback within resistance rather than a confirmed breakout. From a broader crypto market perspective, as long as USDT dominance remains inside this resistance area, there's still a reasonable chance that a local top could form. That would generally be a positive signal for Bitcoin and altcoins, since falling USDT dominance often means capital is rotating back into the crypto market. However, there's an important factor we can't ignore. The more times a resistance level gets tested, the higher the probability of a breakout. USDT dominance has reached this zone after a strong multi-month uptrend, and so far we haven't seen a clear rejection that confirms sellers are in control. If dominance fails to break above the 9.5% level and gets rejected from this area, we could see money flowing out of stablecoins and back into crypto assets. In that scenario, Bitcoin and altcoins would likely benefit. On the other hand, if we get a weekly close above 9.5% followed by confirmation and acceptance above that level, it would signal a valid breakout. That could indicate increasing risk-off sentiment in the market and potentially more pressure on cryptocurrencies. So, is this a good entry point? From a technical perspective, this is one of the more attractive areas to begin scaling into positions because USDT dominance is sitting right inside a long-term resistance zone. But since a breakout is still a real possibility, going all in at this stage carries significant risk. Right now, the market is at a critical decision point. Either this resistance zone holds and USDT dominance reverses lower, creating a more favorable environment for crypto, or the resistance breaks, and we enter a new phase of market weakness. As always, this analysis is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk accordingly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates.